Hey, Chef Andrés at home. Today we're going to be making eggplant caponata. Perhaps you're wondering what eggplant caponata is. Caponata, it's a Sicilian dish, and it's a sweet and savory relish made with eggplant and a bunch of little veggies. It's very healthy for you, as well as it is delicious. I've been making this dish for many years, and I absolutely love it. Why? Because you can use it for many different things. I made pasta, I made pizza, I put it on top of toast, I eat it just straight out of a bowl. It's just great. For some reason, this dish reminds me of home. So it's a very comforting thing to eat for me. Today, I'm gonna share all the secrets about it. While this recipe is not the traditional caponata recipe you will get in Sicily, it's a great one. It's my version of caponata, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's get cooking. Extra virgin olive oil, a couple of plump and fresh eggplant, medium size, it's fine. Chopped peppers, onions and celery, capers. Finally, sliced garlic, diced tomatoes, balsamic vinegar, rosemary, sugar and salt. For this caponata, we're going to go ahead and peel this eggplant. Dice it into large cubes. And here's one of the most important steps. We're gonna salt it real well, toss it, so just rest for 30 minutes, and then we squeeze all the liquid out. Toss in the onion, celery, and peppers. Slice garlic and saute for a few minutes. Get the eggplant in there. One thing to note, I did not rinse the salt off the eggplant. Fresh rosemary sprigs. You want to be careful with this one. Rosemary sometimes is very strong. Ooh, the smell is intoxicating. Cook the sugar briefly, add the balsamic vinegar, and mix well. Salt to taste, but keep in mind the eggplant is already salted. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. The caponata is ready to go. Look at how great this is. You can still see the chunks of eggplant, but the tomato has melted into it. I decided I'm going to make a toast with it today. Like I said, you can use it for anything you like. It's a great accompaniment for any meal. I have a few slices of sourdough toast, caponata, goat cheese, some fresh basil from the garden, and of course, as always, delicious olive oil. Pile high that eggplant caponata over the toast. Let me tell you a little bit about the toast. I make that fresh sourdough a few times a week. It's really something else. Now it's time for a little bit of that goat cheese. What's not to love, right? That grassy barnyard flavor goes amazingly on this dish. Now some more olive oil, yes, and we're gonna slap a few of those leaves of that fresh basil from the garden. It's so good. The eggplant, sweet and sour. Capers, at least saltiness to it. It's delicious. I love this. Look at that. You, yes, you should absolutely be making this. Thanks for watching. By the way, I completely forgot about this. If you like the channel, down here, smash the like and subscribe button so we can get to more people like you.